Well, the first 5 or 6 miles of this ride today, it's pretty scary, pretty treacherous. Of course, the last couple weeks have been pretty rough going, and that's to be expected for Northern California. I knew there would be lots of climbing, lots of hills, mountains. I didn't expect that the roads would be in such poor condition and no shoulders and things like that, but I guess there's a trade-off. I'll deal with that. I'll struggle all day to get, maybe 20-30 miles. If I get to stop every so often and just take a look around me and just see this amazing scenery, and it's spectacular. It's really hard to describe how beautiful this is. And I think that coming through this part of the country, coming through all of the country, at a different vantage point such as I am at, sitting like this, exposed, a little lower, I see things, that if you're riding along, buzzing along at who knows how fast in your little tin can with your windows up and your radio playing, you don't see the things that I see and hear the things. You don't hear that creek down there. And that's really one of the reasons why I decided to do this ride this way, is I wanted to really see this country, the people, the cultures, the terrain. And already I've seen so much diversity in plant life and in people, in cultures. And I've gone from the desert to the beaches to forests, and it's just spectacular. It's just amazing. And I've met so many foreigners who are here. They rent RVs and motorhomes, or else they're touring on bikes, and they say the same thing. They're just in awe at this country and how much it has, how much we have, how blessed we are. And that, kind of goes with my other reason for this ride, about we have to be better stewards of this land, and that includes the animals that we share it with. We've got so much given to us that we need to appreciate it and care for it and not take it for granted. So I'm going to continue 14 more miles, I believe, 13-14 miles to the campsite. It's kind of, the roads have settled down a little bit, you could say. Not as much steep climbs and hairpin turns. Not as many logging trucks either, so I don't know, maybe they're going to be done for the day soon. But I've got to keep going and try to get to this campsite before it gets dark. And I'll try not to stop too much. Every time there's a turnout or someplace I can stop, I pull over and I want to look around and, just look at everything that's just happening, which is amazing. I'm watching a little white, I don't know what that is, butterfly type thing flying around. There's another one down below it on the ground. And it's really sad. I wish I had a way to pick up all this garbage that's on the side of the road that, people pull over and throw their garbage out, or it's just, I don't know how we can ever change the mentality of people to respect our environment, our land. But people that litter like that typically don't respect themselves or other people as well. Those two are just flying around together, and they're right in front of me now. There they go. I don't know if you can see them, but it's just incredible. Everything here has a place and serves a purpose, and we as humans need to find our place and better in this world instead of being so disruptive in it. And so we can live in harmony and peace with each other and this environment, this world. But it's going to take quite a change in mentality, and anyway, I'm going to get back on the road.